Testing out a little mini body cam here. It's the I can't pronounce the name, but it's the CS08 body cam. Small body cam made in China. Looking around. Oh yeah. I'll do the unboxing. I already did the unboxing. It's kind of a re-unboxing. I was using it for today, but when you get the camera itself, owner's manual, card reader, cheap generic card reader that seems to be included in all of these. You know, no name 64 gigabyte micro SD card. I use my own. I don't use these because I don't know if this is gonna work or not, or if, let's say the camera's defective, I have to return it. Then I have to wipe the SD card, you know, of all the data and return it. Owner's manual, and this is a looks like some sort of clip to wrap around. Well, not your wrist, but it's got a tripod mount which goes in here. You know, quarter 20 standard tripod mount to wrap around, you know, your bicycle handlebars or whatever. So, you know, mount it to your bicycle or wherever you want to mount it. So, yeah, and this has got a magnet on the back of it, so you could stick it to your refrigerator, or your, you know, if you have like metal wall studs and stuff like that, you could stick it, you know, in your walls to do surveillance, stuff like that. What do we got here? We got the lens. I'll turn it on, off, on. You get the on switch right here, power switch. It comes on. I haven't found a way to turn off that chime, but you know, it is what it is. You got the screen, a tiny little screen. You got the menu navigation buttons. Well, see, I've got my own SD card in there. I've got my own micro SD card in there, the way you put it in. It goes like this. Pop that in. You got a magnet on the back. Like I said before, you get the quarter 20 mount. You got the rotatable lens. This isn't waterproof since it's got, you know, it's got a rotatable lens. It's not waterproof. It doesn't have any stabilization. I'll just say that right off the bat. This is your light. So you can turn on off. It doesn't have infrareds, but it has a light, very bright, 2 LED lights in, you know, on either side of the lens. You got your microphone, so you can turn your microphone on, so you can record a microphone as long as it's in the on position. You got your video recording button right there, or switch, so you can record video. And then you got the standby mode, so you know, so it's in standby mode when it's still on. The way I do it, so you can use it as a camera or use it as this, and just turn it on and off as you need it. So if, let's say you're doing deliveries or something like I do, it's already in video mode. You just turn it on and off, and it just comes on and immediately starts recording video. The same thing with audio. If you have it in audio mode, just turn it on, and immediately it's you have that switched on, and it immediately starts recording audio. I use it for video, doing deliveries and stuff like that, to prove that people got their food, because you know, a lot of people like to lie and say that you didn't deliver their stuff when you really delivered it. But you know, anyway, this is the microphone right here. I mentioned the light. Oh yeah, this, once it's in standby mode, if you press this, you short press it, you can take a picture, and if you long press it, it switches the orientation of the screen. So it's upside down, and flips it back, you know, right side up and stuff like that. You got your rotatable lens. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh yeah, and you got your USB Type-C, you know, port there for data transfer and charging. And that's the reset button right there. So, you know, when it freezes up, you can just hit that, and it'll reset it to factory settings. Yeah, this is the speaker, so you need to listen to it. So when you want to play back your files, when it's in standby mode, oh yeah, the screen goes off way too soon for my liking, but you got to hit the OK button, it turns it back on. So to play back your files when it's in standby mode, you hit the OK button, and you can scroll through all the different, you know, files that you have. Doing deliveries and stuff like that, to prove that people got their food. Then you can fast forward, or rewind to fast forward through anything you want. Recording video. The same thing with audio. So you can play back your files, and it goes up to 8 times. You can fast forward or rewind through the files using the up or down. So in order to set the time, you press the up or down button, and you can scroll through the different time settings. The time date stamp If you want that on or off, you select it and then you hit yes or no, depending on whether or not you want the time date stamp to appear in the video. And then you long press the OK button to get out of that. You go back into standby mode. That's pretty much it. There'll be a link in the description where you can get it, an Amazon link. We'll get into some video footage, and that's pretty much it. It's the I'll put the name up on the screen. I can't pronounce it because I know I'm going to butcher it. It's the CS08 mini body cam. And the screen goes off way too soon. So, yeah. Alright. Real quick, there's your some of your technical specifications right there. So you can pause the video and watch and look at it if you want. Alright, rattle test. I'm definitely hearing some button rattling here. No, it's this one. And this one. Yeah, it's rattling. So you're definitely going to hear some of this if you're moving around a lot. If you're walking around a lot, or you attach this to your bicycle or something like that. Or whatever. Okay. Okay. And that's it right there. Delivered. Check 1 2 3. Check 1 2 3. This is a test, quick test of the body cam. Video test and audio test. Check 1 2 3. Check 1 2 3. Thank you. The video quality is what is to be expected from a $40 camera. You know, it is what it is. It's not going to be GoPro quality. It's not high quality. And you know, yeah, that's it. All right, 25 on 5. Jesus. Cujo looking at me through the window. Okay. Turn this off. Submit. Delivered. More cars.